Okay guys, so we are starting education video series of Cloudways hosting. It's one of the best hosting providers, and today's question is how to change your Cloudways account email address. So if you are already Cloudways customer and want to change email address for some reason, for example your old email stopped working because it was on paid plan and now you are using, for example, on Gmail or any other reason you want to change it. So how to change your Cloudways account email address? So first of all, important notice, only customers with a full account can change email address. So if you are using a trial, it's not possible to change only on a full account. As well, if this ensure if your new email address was not previously registered with Cloudways as a trial full account or team member. Okay, so you need to be a full account, and second one, you need to turn off temporary two-factor authentication. When you will change your email to a new one, then you can turn it on. Okay, so how to start? Step 1, navigate to your account settings. So let me show you. So log into your account, click on here and click on account. Okay, then you will see page like this, and it's on classic, and if you are using new interface you will see page like this. So click on account profile. Yeah, should be this top account profile. Here is your current email. Type your new email, what you would prefer to use, and scroll down page. So here is your new email. Yes, scroll down page and click on profile, update profile. Once done, yeah, a new interface looks similar, very similar. So scroll down, update email, scroll down, click on update profile. Okay, so once done, um, you'll see such confirmation. It's like the disclaimer. So what you should need to do here, you need to agree with cloud-based platform with that new credentials will be used and accept terms of service and privacy policy. So click on tick here, put here your password, and confirm it by clicking continue and log out. Okay, so once done, yeah, on new interface it will look very similar like this. So enter password, agree, and continue. Once email is updated, you will receive a notification about ownership change. It will be sent to your old email and then to new email address, and that's it. You can start using it. So very easy, and hope it was helpful for you. And if you are still not Cloudways customer, or you want to buy or upgrade something on your current account, you can scroll down this video, and in the video descriptions you will find coupon code 20% off on your payment on Cloudway. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. For any questions, please comment and have a good day. Bye.